In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the busiest Turkish restaurants in all of Budapest. This is Szeráj!
This place is absolutely crazy at lunchtime. From the moment the doors open, it's non-stop movement, customers pouring in, staff rushing orders out, and food being prepared every single second. Serving close to 2,000 people every day is not easy. That means everything here has to run like a machine. One small mistake and the whole system breaks down. And the variety here is unreal. You've got fresh salads, homemade desserts, and drinks mixed on the spot. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing feels pre-made. These vertical broilers are the heart of this kitchen. Massive stacks of chicken and beef rotating all day long. And right next to them, meat is being grilled over real charcoal, filling the air with smoke and flavor. What really surprised me is they bake everything themselves, from pizza bread to Turkish pizza. It's all made fresh right here. No shortcuts, no frozen dough. When you look around, you understand why people keep coming back. Every table is full, every plate looks incredible, and everyone is enjoying their food. Alright, enough watching. It's time to see if this food really lives up to the hype.
First off, I'm gonna get started with the gyros plates. This is one of their customers' choice. I was really salivating as I was watching the entire chaos in the kitchen. Seeing as the army of staff was working in a synchronized way was quite inspiring, I must say. These guys host about 2,000 customers every single day. People are just trooping in. There's an army of staff waiting to serve the customers every single minute of every day. It's quite incredible. It's a total chaos. Right here we have rice, we have chicken, we have vegetables, and of course we have the pizza bread. And now for the moment of truth. It's crunchy, it's salty. It has a little bit of sweetness to it. I think they added a special sauce to it. The pizza bread is so soft and so fresh. They make their pizza bread fresh on the spot, on demand. The baker is busy walking around the clock preparing the pizzas and the pizza bread for the huge amount of customers that come in here every day. And now it's time for the beef gyros plate. The chef in the kitchen highly recommended this one and said I have to make this spicy. This is basically the same ingredients as the chicken, but it has extra spiciness to it, and it of course is beef. I'm gonna try to take some rice with the beef, because I love to eat rice and beef together. They weren't joking when they said it's quite spicy. Many places I go and they say they're gonna make the food spicy. I usually think it's child's play. This actually adds a kick to it. The flavors of the peppery sauce mixed with the beef and the rice is actually a perfect combination for those of you who can tolerate the spiciness of the meal. The beef is so tender and it just melts right in my mouth as I started to chew it. Down there in the kitchen, they have these vertical broilers with tons and tons and tons of beef and chicken for each individual broiler. I'm at loss of words just eating this right now. It's absolutely delicious. It's salty, it's peppery, it's crunchy, it's juicy. So many flavors combined in one plate. What else could you ask for?
Very fast service and very delicious.
You can really feel the teamwork in this place. Everyone knows their role, everyone is moving with purpose, and that's how you serve thousands of people every day.
Szeráj restaurant, Budapest, we are really busy. Each day we have 2,000 almost customer, and we make everything fresh here. We don't buy anything ready. We make bread here, we make our meat, all we make here fresh.
Talking to the chef, you can tell how serious they are about freshness. Everything is made in-house. Everything is prepared daily. And that's what separates Szeráj from most restaurants. It's not about the quantity, it's about consistency. Every plate, every customer, every single day. Honestly, this was one of the most impressive restaurant experiences I've had here in Budapest. The food, the speed, the organization, everything works together perfectly. If you're visiting this city, Szeráj should definitely be on your list. Michael's menu approved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next food adventure.